You know, if you wanted to, you could just put your house on the market in any condition and you'll find a buyer for it. But what if there was a way where you can invest a little bit amount of money to get the property ready to go, to get top dollar? My philosophy as a real estate listing agent, and I train all my staff and agents the same way, is what's the minimum amount of money that we can invest into your house to get it in top dollar condition? So number one, you obviously want to get the property professionally cleaned, probably a few $100. You want to paint the interior of your property if needed, right, in a bright, nice color, and that could cost you between $3,000 and $8,000 depending on the size of your home. And maybe you might want to stage your home if necessary. That could be a couple grand. Or, like us, we provide light staging for our clients, which is at no cost and included in the overall package. And you might want to do other touch-ups as well. But the key thing is that you don't have to remodel the entire home and put 50 or 100 grand into it to then get top dollar for your property. You have to understand that the vast majority of buyers, they want to do whatever they want to do to your home when they buy it. They want to paint it a certain color. They want to change the kitchen a certain way. They want to rehab the backyard. So think about it from a standpoint of what's the least amount I can invest into the house to make it show exceptionally well, such that I can get top dollar. If you have any questions around this, we do this all the time, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year for all of our clients in Southern California. We'd love the opportunity to talk to you about your house. If you have any questions, contact us anytime.